Sit back, relax. If there's anything we can do to make your flight a little more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask.
As you may know, I've been working on solutions that can be used by independent producers when they are deemed to be ERISA investment advisor fiduciaries. In this context, I've created a website called ERISAagent.com. Today, I want to call your attention to a link on the homepage that makes it easy to access 3 very important publications of the Department of Labor. They are the Amendment to PTE 8424, the Retirement Security Rule definition of an investment advice fiduciary, and the fact sheet on the Retirement Security Rule and amendments to class-prohibited transaction exemptions for investment advice fiduciaries. Anyone participating in annuity manufacturing or annuity distribution should make an effort to at least scan these documents, if not read them in total. I'll warn you, it's not a fun exercise, but it's important that you understand exactly what the Department of Labor requires and how procedures and policies will have to change, how costs will go up, the new burdens placed on agents and insurers, as well as the penalties for not complying. It's, let's just say, it's something that needs to be overturned. So thanks for tuning in. This is a Macchia Minute. Have a great day.